Hello friend, this is Paper Kitty. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have this fun little image of an old key that I had been playing around with, and this little paint swatch says old key. Not sure if it's focusing too much on the video, but I had been doing some mixed media, and I haven't done videos on that. Maybe I should. I don't know. Please comment below and let me know if that's interesting to you. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this key out because when I saw that paint swatch, just the name of that paint swatch alone was enough to kind of get me going. And again, trying to use some scraps that I already had, and so just some odd and end bits and pieces. This little key was actually collaged, or not collaged, it was I used a stencil to make it with some black gesso, and that's why it is not like a shiny acrylic. It's I did the black gesso, and that's one of the ways you can use black gesso is if you want to use it on your stencils so that when you get an image, it is opaque. And so anyway, I really liked that. It really inspired me, and I just wanted to come on here real quick for a short video and just show you, like I said, what I'm doing. And just wanted to again use up some scraps, just some things I had already made that were kind of laying around, and I felt like they could go together. I have been working on a junk journal that's a little bit skinnier and larger both at the same time than the little typical sizes. I can't remember offhand right now what the size is, but I probably will be doing a video on that at some point. But anyway, I just have been working on some ephemera, and so this little card is kind of a journaling card, but I end up using it as more of a collaged card that I then glue on 3 sides and leave one side open to use kind of like a pocket on one side, and I put it on the side of the journal, and that way I don't, none of the art is covered. And so yeah, I use this Kilts brand swatch. As I told you in the past, my husband is a contractor, so we buy a lot of paint and end up with a lot of these fun swatches, and so this is a good way to recycle. I don't recommend that you go out and just get a bunch of samples. I mean, fine, get a few, but if you're not trying to buy paint, maybe don't, get a whole bunch and just to use for free. Okay, so I'm all about being frugal. I love recycling, just as I'm doing here, and within reason, to pick up a couple samples here and there just because you like the color is fine. I have found that I've done that in the past and ended up going back and actually buying that paint color. So anyway, just wanted to, I guess, craft with you, and hoping that you will, by you watching this video, when I get your comments and so forth, it's like you're watching, you're kind of doing it with me, even though it's not in real time. When I get your comments, I feel like there's communication, and I, as always, appreciate that so very much. Now I'm gluing down, as you can see, all the little bits that I was kind of auditioning that I've decided to use. There was a little piece there that was really cute that I did not use because I felt that it was not, it just took away from that key. That key is just so cool. I love it. I'm gonna probably go and make a bunch now, especially because it's so easy. It's on stencil, and it's a stencil that I use on just old book paper, And and then I just put it on some cardboard. So I think that ended up looking really cute. So again, thank you so much for watching. Be sure and hit the subscribe button if you would like to subscribe and be part of the Paper Kitty family. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And again, love you so much. Love you so much. See you in the next one.